glossy shine, or matte perfection? What will you choose? Choose your character. Redhead goes for vinyl shoes with silver stilettos. Rosie takes flat suede boots. Redhead wears a gold skirt with tiny pleats. Rosie wears faded skinny jeans. Redhead goes for a silver top. Rosie goes for a casual gray shirt. Redhead has a bright shimmering makeup look and a glossy wet look hairstyle. Rosie has matte natural makeup. Redhead is a party animal. She loves everything that glitters and shines. Princess! That's definitely me today. I'm more than just a princess. I'm a gamer queen. Rosie is a real businesswoman. She's always calm and collected. She only likes pastel shades and matte nails. What could be better than matte colors? They are so calming. Redhead is having a bad dream. It's not actually a good morning. How can I add some sunshine to my life? A gold mask works, and my mood gets better right away. Rosie is sleeping tight. What a nice morning. What do my magazines say? They are the only glossy things I like. Redhead wants to get ready. My skin is so dull, and I want it to shine. Let's see if anything in my makeup bag can help me out. Open a bottle of foundation. Take the tip off a liquid highlighter tube. Add the highlighter to the foundation. Apply glue to the surface of the bottle. Sprinkle it with gold glitter. Apply glue to some spots. Sprinkle with pink glitter. Shake off the excess. Apply more glue. Sprinkle with black glitter. Make a leopard print. This is a foundation for a spirit that can't be tamed. My skin is glowing! What a brilliant effect! It's time for Rosie to get ready. Oh no! She ran out of face powder, and she's out of blush. I'll take Redhead's baby powder. She won't mind. Prepare the ingredients. Sift 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch. And the same amount of green clay. Half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Mix. Put it into a little container. Color the cap with acrylic paints. Create a cherry pattern. Attach a printed label that says mattifying powder. That's a perfect matte shade. My cheeks are missing some shine. How can I define them and make them sparkly? Of course! Creme blush! Put 2 parts coconut oil into a container. Add 1 part lipstick. Melt. Add loose highlighter. Stir. Pour it into an empty EOS container. Let it cool. Add a logo on the cap with nail polish. Paint flowers. Decorate with rhinestones. The result is so bright! I just need to blend it with a brush a bit. Redhead's eyeshadow is the sparkliest ever! Put a crescent cookie cutter into an empty palette. Put broken blue and purple eyeshadow outside the cutter. Add rubbing alcohol using a pipette. Press it down. Fill the rest of the crescent shape with highlighter. Add rubbing alcohol and press it in. Make star-shaped hollows on the purple eyeshadow. Put in highlighter. Attach a printed picture of a disco ball to the cap of the palette. Add details with clear nail polish. Apply eyeshadow to the upper lid. And define the bottom lid. And now, apply some highlighter to add more sparkle. It's impossible not to notice these sparkly eyes. How do I make my lips brighter? This shade doesn't suit me at all. I wonder what Rosie is doing. She must have something interesting for me. Rosie, I'll borrow your lip gloss for a second. Cover the matte base on the lips with clear lip gloss. And you get a glossy effect. Let's add some shine to the eyes. Apply lip gloss on the eyelids on top of shimmering eyeshadow. There's no such thing as too much shine. It looks awesome. And Rosie isn't happy with her makeup. My lips aren't bright, but how do I get rid of this sticky, clingy shine? A makeup wipe. Hang on, there's a better way. Dampen your lips with a wipe. Put the wipe on your lips. Apply face powder along the lip contour with a brush. There you go, neat matte lips. Time to define the cheekbones. Oh, I used too much blush. I'll use a pom-pom pad. Pour water in a bowl. Add a few drops of red food coloring. Put in baby powder to get a thick consistency. Stir it thoroughly. Put the smooth mass into a clean blush container. Evenly spread it out. Decorate the cap with soft pom-poms. Now that's better! Redhead is almost finished with her makeup. Oh, I completely forgot about lashes! Where's my favorite metallic blue mascara? Here it is, my favorite! Take eyebrow gel with a big spoolie. Put some metallic blue makeup pigment on the spoolie. Mix it with the gel. Print out a pattern on glossy sticker paper. Wrap the tube in it. Attach a printed label that says Blue Shiny to the cap. Make a cut with a utility knife so the mascara can open. Sparkly blue mascara! Now that's beautiful! What a flawless result! Brilliant! Rosie is going through her closet. What should I wear? This is way too revealing. And this is way too boring. Redhead is picking out an outfit. This top? Oh, a chameleon skirt. A gold skirt will never let me down. Rosie is ready to leave. Oh, I forgot about my lashes. My favorite matte mascara. Add bright green makeup pigment to clear eyebrow gel. Print an exotic pattern on matte sticker paper. Wrap the tube in it. Attach a printed label that says Green Matte. Add a cut near the cap using a utility knife. Green! The most calming color! Redhead is ready to leave, but why is my skin looking so pale? I'm gonna fix that right now! Apply shimmering blush to the collarbones using a fan brush. The result is a glowing effect. Let me add some freckles with a matte pencil. Next, I'll fix my hair. I think this hairstyle isn't glittery enough. Brush your hair back. Apply hairstyling foam all over your hair. Smooth it out. Add some hairspray to add shine. What a glossy glow! Rosie has to get rid of the gloss on her hair. Dry shampoo will help me out. That's way better! Redhead is adding the final touch. I'll mix some gold makeup glitter with a highlighter. Add dots so it looks like freckles. Dazzling! Did you like our glossy and matte makeup ideas? Then comment below which one you'd copy. A matte mascara, cream blush, shimmering eyeshadow, or glowing foundation. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new makeup ideas from Troom.